pussycat went to sea in a beautiful pea green boat. They took some honey and plenty of money wrapped up in a 5-pound note. The owl looked up to the stars and sang to a small guitar. Oh, lovely pussy, oh, pussy, my love, what a beautiful pussy you are, you are, you are. What a beautiful pussy you are. The pussy said to the owl, you elegant fowl, how charmingly sweet you sing. Oh, let us be married, too long we have tarried, but what shall we do for a ring? They sailed away for a year and a day to the land where the balm trees grow. And there in the wood, a piggy-wig stood, with a ring at the end of his nose, his nose, with a ring at the end of his nose. Dear pig, are you willing to share buy 1 shilling your ring? I will, said the piggy. They took it away and were married next day by the turkey who lived on the hill. They dined on mince and slices of quince that they ate with a runcible spoon. And hand in hand on the edge of the sand, they danced to the light of the moon. The moon. They danced to the light of the moon.